In terms of price, mina into engibakhile ngayo it's how ngendlela engiadvertise ngayo.
Alright.
Mawuzazi ukuthi uyiquality kwinto akwi-advertisement kwindwangu nani yonke lonto. I-price ayibisa stress. You understand? Mina bakhona bathe uyabiza usithixo nani. But ngiyazi ukuthi mina awuyona i-target market yami. You understand? Equality yami yoku-advertise ne-effort engiyifakayo. I know ukuthi khona ama-customer engazakhe ukuthi loyal customer la ngeke ngilahleka.
You know, mawuqala brand, you need to tell yourself ukuthi your supporters are out there. Abantu bangaphandle. Abantu baseduzane, they won't support you because bazokubona ukuthi uyazama. But bafuna ukubona uzophelela.
Yebo.
So when the thing is that you need to focus. Uyitshela ukuthi yazini, this is my brand. I'm gonna build it from day one. I'm gonna post your business. Awazi ubona iShoprite ivalile emnyango. Awazi ubona iMcDonald's ivalile. There is McDonald's, there is stairs, they all sell burgers. They're always open. So your business must be open every day. You need to be an honest. Yes, exactly. Mina mangiqala there are competitors, but the main part is to be consistent.
Doing it.
Guys, there's a say ukuthi in music industry nama gatekeepers. What is your take on that?
Especially this new genre yamapiano. We all know ukuthi bathi kune gatekeepers awazi ukhipha music okanje because bazo gatekeeper ukuthi ungatrend and something like that. How do you go about that Nina? Do you think there is gatekeeper?
What is your opinion ngale ndaba yama gatekeepers? Because it's affecting our upcoming artists like really.
Yeah.
Mina ngwazi.
Must remember one thing.
Yeah.
Each song of the year is won on votes.
Yes, that's true.
So if I put in E-Capital to vote for the song of the year, that song will win. Whether wena awulazi or wena umazi uhlo. It's not everybody. First things first. It's not everybody that listens to Ukhozi. It's not everybody that will know ama artist wonke akhona. Now, uDJ Hlo worked very hard on that produced the song. I was part of the production.
Yes.
Worked very hard to promote that song. We were going in and out of taxi ranks, in and out of schools, in and out of each and every community place to promote that song.
Hey bro, that's a nice question, Abo. It's a very nice question. Because I've seen niggas suffer from that question.
Exactly, that's the reason why I'm asking you.
I've seen it.
Nah,
I'm going solo, bro.
All the way.
I'm going solo and I understand ukuthi bakhona abantu abangakwazi ukusiza to reach a certain level. But there's no level from the level that you actually visioned yourself on. So come to Sony Music, manje it's WTSA, I have 100,000. But what if my deal is not 100,000?
Yeah. Hallelujah. Welcome to Podcast 101 with the gents. It's our first live episode coming from MM4. Wamashu Kawash. It's our first live episode. Obviously, we've still got nerves. We've never been live. We've never had an audience. But we promise you we have an interesting show for you today. Obviously, co-hosting with me is my boys, Paul and Robu. We are Thank you, boy. I'm doing it behind from the cam. It's our boy, TSP the Ghost. Hallelujah, boy. Granny fana wami. Yeah. Ukamuthi sobona namhlanje.
Kuyaphithizela kumnandi. Shout out to event organizer
Yeah.
No, kuyaphithizela kuzoba mnandi.
I think we're still gonna have azikhulumele naye and simbonge live for giving us this opportunity. I think this opportunity is gonna open doors for us. Singavumelana nori kanjani?
Siyavumelana.
Yeah. Ukatsheni ngathuthukiwe nje. Uyabenyathi? phela usipho yazi into engimangaza ngayo wena mate mine uthi uthu kanjani while we are live upheleni uphethe home ground advantage
and thina phela we should be leaning on him.
Yeah.
Kumele
sithembe yena
mara masukufaka ngesithakazelo sakho baba.
Uyangibamba obviously masithi usipho uNdlovu ubuya begatsheni ubuya benyatha
Skwamasho fanele sibize enye indlela.
Yeah. Oh wena kwamasho yasaba.
Hayi kamasho angeke. Kodwa sengifile.
Manje wena if ever wena uthuka thina
what about thina esiphuma le magoli le.
Hayi sozwa khona.
Enjoying isebenzi efana. Usho ukuthi mina kunento enye engithusako guys yazi since ngila KZN angazi nini mina ngaze ngibona ikota brass la and I'm craving for one right now as we speak. Akunasiphahlo eKZN. Maybe namhlanje because we have guests and people esizokhuluma nabo interacta nabo bazositshela ukuthi isiphahlo sithola kanjani. Ora kanjani brass?
Nami angazi ngizibona. Yabona inkinga eyi-1.
Yeah.
Yabona like KZN.
Yeah.
Vele uthi hey gents kunento eso hey bazolwa nawo. Yabona inkinga ukuthi ukutshelwa. Yabona?
Yeah.
Mangathi uyayithinta le ndaba awuzobona inkinga phela.
Mara no la KZN isijwayele igwinya neArcher.
Nepaloni nithanda nepaloni
angaze ngwabona namagwinya abawathengisa separate apart from estolo ke ngene checkers ubona igwinya but umuntu awokha nje athengisa or mhlambe thina sihlale endaweni wrong eKZN guys. This is not the KZN we ordered.
And you know it's funny because mangayathi uthenga igwinya thina mina lasibuya khona lasibuya khona igwinya ladliwa li1 mangaya kubo wathi ufuna igwinya mawuthi uyathenga bathi hawu
uzolidla ngani kusho ukuthi kibo yishebo
no phela kubo phela igwinya leli kini half igwinya li1 la ihalf yenu ngalo so ungayiqeda ngaphandle kwechi
yeah true the size yeah
nithini angizwa kahle
isize yegwinya la linkulu ukudlula ama size lawa wangale ngale phela uthola amabholo
phikathi nina thenga phi amagwinya kanjani uphuma phi
igwinya lelo bowulidla namhlanje
okay wena uyaqala ukubona igwinya lengaka la eKZN
angiqala ukulibona mara it makes sense makakhuluma ngesize baba
mina okay uyazi mina ekhaya abo Mazete ne yawaze Moria Limpopo yawala isigwinya lakhona
lingana vane ngizobasha lingana nehloko yomuntu
lekhanda lakho lincane ngero I'm saying igwinya le linkulu bra so ligwinya le kulelo holo mo in a sense or
hayi
okay problem ngicela ngitshela ukuthi
ngiyalibona ilele dlobo sikomoto ilele dlobo sikomoto igwinya lelo
so manje ngifuna ukuza ukuthi ujita vele na makathi hayi wena inkinga yakho
anginankinga mina mara sikuzwa usikhathla rubela into erisayitsini
the problem yazini na you know mina I've realized ukuthi I still have a lot of things ukuthi ngifundise yazi guys stick with me I'll take you places yabona mina sticka nami ngizonibonisa izinto yeah
lomjita una how many years ula nesizula usazi mara wena ufuna ukusifundisa uyasidlelezela
awuthi ngitshela yazi mina
uyasidlelezela
ngikukhombisa ukuthi ngiyadominate ne ngikhuluma ilanguage yenu ngiyani-challenge ngelanguage yenu
awuyikhulumi kahle uyasifambula
phela nina angeke nikhulume
uyasifambula ukhuluma ifana kalo wena
okay ngithi nini
ukhuluma ifana kalo
okay guys
Sperira Steve khani wena umpedi or umsuthu wena
Mutswana mara ko hayi kumatebeli so okay
yabona le ndaba yalomthetho ukuthi Mtebeli wakwambona apho kutumela wakamtebeli akazi nesithakazelo
listen ungayiqali leyo ungayithithi leyo leyo ungayiqali leyo listen you know what I'm saying mina ekhaya mina personally esikolweni bengifunda isitswana you get what I'm saying but ekhaya amandebele you get what I'm saying so that is why ngithi mina kulelo ngibulala Setswana you get what I'm saying when it comes to Setswana and I know ukuthi mangathi ngiyaqala ukukhuluma mangathi ngiyathoma ubulela ngiyathoma ubuwa lekeke lebulele
uyamuza ngiyathoma libolela ngiyabona guys we still have a lot of people lined up to do interviews with us so I think we are ready, we've warmed up, we've done introduction, so it's time for us to open up the platform and have our first guest of the show. Podcast 101. Are you as happy as I am? Are you as well prepared as I am?
Bruh. These are exciting news.
There's going to be a chair, so I think it's interesting. This is going to be a long night. We're still going to have to go out to the people and do interviews. Kibo. There are brands, now, like the biggest, one of the biggest brands in KZN is Tico. It's Tico. I know that guy. That guy is a very hustling guy uyasebenza and the brand is very well known. Mhlambe khona umuntu lekhaya ozo dopa something from Ustiko is also got an upcoming brand. Uzothola ama tips on how to handle some of the things. So I think
and one thing again, what I've realized, I've never been as exposed as I am today in KwaMashu. KwaMashu is a township that is full of potential, bruh. I've heard, I've spoken to potential people. We're talking about the likes of event managers. We're talking about artists. We're talking about fashion designers. We're talking, bruh. KwaMashu, it's alive, bruh. There's a guy, Double D, that I also came across. The guy is a fantastic guy, down to earth. He also interested in he's a rapper, rap. I've realized it's got a huge potential, bro. KwaMashu is a very great area.
I was still gonna learn a lot.
And it's very much important to mention that you are not far away from Ikayalaga Zex Bantwini.
Shout out to Zex Bantwini.
Shout out to Zex, man. So I think guys, we can open up to our guest, produce Oktawangan. Hallelujah, we back again, podcast 101 with your gents, and I'm your host, your boy Tasco. And gents, today we are blessed. We are blessed to have one of the biggest brands in KZN. The guy, I don't know him personally, but I know him from TikTok. He's a very pushing guy. We are sevens, Ustiko. I'm Nandi Bafo. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm sure kono muntu kwazela from TikTok ukwazi ngoStiko, but I'm sure nawe unegama abakunike lona na uphume ekhaya.
Nginalo igama ngethiwa ukuthiwa ngusiphelele.
Usiphelele.
Uma wathi nguprofessor. Kwase kwathi isibongo wakaduma.
Wakaduma.
Shuthi ngoba sekufike mina la seniphelele njengegama lami.
Stumile, siphelele nestumile.
Ngoba niphelele kuyo yonke into esoyenza mina ngizoba uprofessor
mina la ngiqhamuka khona
lokho le broadcast izoduma njengesibongo sami.
Thank you Brian. Like and subscribe kanjalo. So Brian, yazi mina la ngiphuma khona ne igama elithi siphelele, it means we are full. Sekuphelele sicibile sivalile.
Mase kufike mina nje.
Uyilasibone endlini.
Imina oqalayo, imina oqedayo.
Ayibo. Uyavula boyavala. Imic yakho mfethu.
Okay.
Uyavula boyavala.
uDanko nje unginika ngawucelanga.
Ngikwazi lapho. Nangizwa Danko ngiyazi ukuthi hayi isithixo lesi.
Yimi leyo.
Mina just a question ngifuna ukubuza yona nje ebalekile ukuthi how do you feel to have a brand? You know, how did it start up, and then what are the challenges that you've encountered along the way, and then how did you overcome them? I understand.
Kona ukuba nebrand akuyonto elula. Kufana nje ngani ngebroadcast akuyonto elula. Ungayiqala manje isupport ngeke uyithole kumuntu angakeni ngesimo sothi uzoyithatha kancane ukuthi uzowenzani. Uzokudlela umono ukuthi wena ngobuba uzungaqhama ngebroadcast. Izothi masiphezulu masiyaqala yakusupport. Mina inhlanhla engibe nayo ngithe ngiyiqala abantu engiseduze nabo bangiphi support bangayithatha kancane. Yonke engathi ngiblessed ngayo. Kumanje ngihappy, you understand? Abantu engikhule nabo abangilahlanga. Isikhathi esiningi ukuthi mawuqala into ekuthiwa awungeke awu. Esikhule naye. Kuba yena uthi angaqhama nebrand esiduma manje. Luckily mina ngibe blessed bangisupport. Kumanje ngoba ngila nabo bakhona bangisupport. Ngibanga nalo party. Isikhathi esiningi amanye amafowethu beke bewiso ukuthi athi umuntu ayiqala into a discourage ukuthi abantu aseduze nabo noma ifamily ivele ngamsupport. You understand?
Shout out to the guys abamsupportile kakhulu, shout out.
Mic yakho izwakala baba. Imic yakho on lapho. Ngiyakuzwa. Yabona mara lo.
No. Hayi. Ayisenzeka lama mistake. Mina I'm concerned nge-mindset wethu abodaki ne. Udaki mawumuntu omnyama uqala ibusiness. Ukuthi bakusupport. Bacabanga ukuthi wena awuproduce equality product. You get what I'm saying? So wena mawuqala iproduct, how did you work around indaba yokuthi iprice yakho ibe in a sense ukuthi it's accommodative for udaki at the very same time bangathi wena usidayisela impongo ngoba mina mawuza kimi ngidayisela into 20 rand vele ukuthi kunenkinga but uzothola ukuthi iproduct it's a good quality and if it's a South African made people must understand sometimes ukuthi it can be as affordable as possible. You get what so how do you work around indaba ye pricing ukuthi accommodate both mindsets?
In terms of the price, mina into engibakhile ngayo it's how ngendlela engadvertise ngayo. Mawuzazi ukuthi uyiquality kwinto akwi-advertisement kwindwangu nani yonke lonto. I-price ayibisa stress. You understand? Mina bakhona bathe uyabiza usithixo nani. But ngiyazi ukuthi mina awuyona target market yami. You understand? Equality yami uku-advertise ne-effort engiyifakayo. I know ukuthi khona ama-customer engazakhe this as a loyal customer la ngeke ngilahleke, you understand? So into ekuyenzakala mina nginalama customer athi mefika athi hawu ngikwazi ukuthola i-outfit iziphumele with less than 3,000. You understand? Lawo ma customer athi maye gateway akuthengela iskip esodwa sa 13,000. You understand? So mefika mina uvela athi awukanti ship kanje. You understand? So mina ngibe na stress nomuntu othi ngiyabiza ngoba mina nginama customer amaningi ngaba afika athi hey mina bengithi ngizokhipha imali engaka la athenga izinto za 3 blocks angishaya ngo2 ngetip ya 1.5. Half of izinto ayithengile. Kusho ukuthi because usuke encanywe istyle sami encanywe ama design ami encanywe indlela engiphusha ngayo. Khona omunye akaze kumina azongisupportela ukuthi nje ngoba udaki. Nanokuthi wena awudayisi brand yangaphandle udayisi brand yakho and unesibindi ubambelele kuyona ngishintshe mina ngimi konke eyodwa nje ngiqondile ngithe.
So Brian yazi into oyikhuluma it's very powerful Brian yabona because nathi as a starting brand we are learning something from you. Obviously i-brand yethu isathoma it's not long siqalile yabona. So into oyikhulumile it's very powerful ukuthi isupport angeke uyithole la uphuma khona Brian. And into engichazako ngawo ukuthi you don't change the price for abanye abantu. You don't try to accommodate omunye umuntu. I-price yakho it's price yakho and umuntu overvaluisha your quality will come to you. But kunomuntu ohlezi because mina i-brand yakho ngiyazi straight ku TikTok through ngiyakufollow through all social medias yabo. So unama different designs and ama designs wakho are very beautiful and they are very unique. Especially when it comes to ama-wax jean kunale green so yenzile manje lezi zinto ezikanjalo usiza ubani to come up with designs nale logo nale spoko kunabantu abakusiza komhlambo i-team osebenzisana nayo or uyahlala wena endlini uzidesignele wena so far?
Anginawo designer mina nginabasebenzi but nangu nje udesigner wami nange la. Yabona nje lo ohle nomama wakhe bathi uKushibu. Designer wami lo.
Uye ukudesignela manje.
Nangu designayo. Ngaqala ngidesignele. So
Yeah.
uhamba mo design ubone ukufika umuntu aka-approach athi mfethu ngicela ispan esikanje. Umnika ispan. Okay but futhi ubone wenza kanjani uyamcomparison nabanye ubothi okay lo ukuyiquality ngalendlela ukuthi udesign unomqondo locisha ufane nowami. Ngamnika ngathi Nokia ka design. Kwaba khona omunye ozosebenza emshinini ukupressa ngambona ukuthi ukhona ulesi ngambona ukuthi okay uyayenza lento engiyenzayo. Khona omunye ozodila nokufaka insimbi ngabothi unka okay uyayenza lento angimnika umsebenzi, you understand? In terms of advertise bazamile ngibanika basahluleka. Yabo
njengoba uyibambele kanje.
Ngisayibambele lapha yabo. Enye into vele ufuna ungathi uyithi
ukuyibambele.
Yabo iphusheke ikanjalo leyo. Ngoba nawe ngeke i-broadcast uyenze uwedwa.
Uqinisile
You understand? Ungaqala uwedwa usabeka ifoni lapha upatanisa uphinde ubone acela my sister lapha nathi athi mina ngizokubambela i-camera. Ugcina ubothi uma sister uyibamba kahle i-camera. Nomunye athi okay ngizokubambela i-mic interview yabo. Phusha kanjalo.
Yes.
Because of when e-marketing and advertisement is the backbone of business. If they don't know the product yakho usho ukuthi angeke uyenza ama sales.
That's true.
That's true.
And bona mina I'm coming from Joburg. Sorry to cut you short. Mina I'm coming from Joburg Brian ngizosebenza la yabo. But since ngifikile la ngiyakubona ku TikTok you are appearing there and then you show brands the way you are presenting ngakhona nama brand wakho it shows the life and the passion that you have behind the brand. Yabo. And a shout out to you for that guy, for that my friend. Into le it's very powerful.
One question enginayo mina for wena mfethu ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi angisho yazi ukuthi criticizing from abantu and then when you starting you understand and then negative impact abanayo abantu kuwena and then how do you overcome that and then how do you keep yourself strong uqhubeke phambili utshela ukuthi asini ngibambile angiwe, you understand?
Mina sebengizame kakhulu ukungifaka umuntu esweni yabo but ungangifaka umuntu esweni ngidlalela leni ngawo ngoba khonto mile understand if you are a brand khona abantu abaningi abakubukayo even ngisho ama politician ayakubuka ngalendlela ukuthi noma usucela isponsor bazoba ukuthi uya deserve yini how I respond yakho umhlonipha kanjani omunye umuntu noma wena abantu ubahlonipha ngama stage abo you understand kanti ufune bonke abantu ubahlonipha nje bonke abantu bayafana understand khona umuntu ozothi hayi lo mfana uyabhetha nani nasho ku comment I respond yakho mina I respond yami ngiyamtshela impethu ayikho inkinga bafo ngizozama ukulungisa ngoba shuthi angakayenza into engimpressayo ngethwa ubona ngezi ngithi mina istyle asiningi asifane nesama local ingoba ngisazolokho ngishintshile uyozuyithola into ozoyithanda kumina ngisaqala ngaqala ngejacket kwenza ngeskip kwenza ngojean kwenza ngomunye ujean kwenza ngomunye ujean you understand ngeke wonke umuntu athanda ujean omhlophe ngeke wonke umuntu athanda ujean omnyama ngeke umuntu athanda ujean oblue uyabo funeka istyle ngilokho ngishintsha ukuze nawe kaSithixo esitolo sami kube nento oyithandayo ithwese ngikwazi ukuthi mase ngiwathola wonke ama followers ngiwadle ngerespect kuphela ngisho ngenzani yesho ngangifaka umuntu esweni ngiwadle ngerespect kuphela
shout out Foza you mentioned something ukuthi nabasebenzi some people uzothola ukuthi bangayazi ibrand mara mebangazo ukuthi mebekezo excuse my izulu sami mina ngibuye egoli mina ngiyabulala Swana
Mperi
how many languages do you know
mina izulu isiXhosa isuthu ke ngifisa ukusazi siyangiduzu ngazi isingisi nje nasona sihlanganisiwe
okay at least wena uyafisa ukwazi language yami mina yakho ngiyayizama so mina ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi some people abazi istrength se brand yakho but ukhulume ngento important ukuthi wena unabasebenzi how many workers manje sihlele ngabo manje ukuthi how many people do you have lawo usebenza nabo right now
ngishango 11 nje
11
team yebhola
shout out to that
Man City le
shout out to that
bethi Man City mina endlini
disappoint
substitute
ayina substitute isamile nje ngisaphethe mina ucoach Pep Guardiola lapha ngiphethe Da Bruyne track enzima
kabi ubiza team enkulu lapho ubiza team eshaya ngabo 5-1 nesibili namhlanje 5-1 manje Prime ibrand yakho njengoba igulu kanje thina abanye sibona because ezinye izinto ngeke uzibone usaqala abantu bazibona sezihambile sezithuthukile ibrand yakho iqale nini njengoba seyinkulu namhlanje yaziwa the whole of KZN
ibrand yami iqale 2022
or 2022 wow but the way you push ngakhona Brian it's like you have years and years doing this
even iqale 2022
yo
yinki just that ukuthi ngendlela ephusha ngayo uningi la
isayakhona
ama starter la unabonayo
exactly have you mara unawo ama customer coming from different provinces mhlawumbe customer ophuma eGoli ophuma eLimpopo ophuma kuphi
usabala into encane mina got 4 orders overseas
hayi
ngiphethe ama 4 orders overseas nezimba nginelo ngine Dubai u2 ngine USA yodwa umuntu wase Europe abantu abaswala South Africa come on guys masakhuluma ngeCape Town singadonsa ifone lapha ngikukhombise Pep code ngithi ama tracking code
amawuthumela to Cape Town
Cape Town mangiyoposa liphela isonto nganayo Cape Town ayiphela isonto nganayo Eastern Cape ayiphela isonto nganayo eGoli ayiphela isonto nganayo eRichards Bay ayiphela isonto nganayo Northwest
so wena kahle kahle vele nje you are national nje khona uyatholakala and guys
Mr. Spelele ngifuna ukubuza just a quick one do you have a background because of the push brand yakho man no
it's like uqale wasebenza somewhere
into the industry fashion influence do you have any background yalo msebenzi lo uyenzayo
phela vele ngize ngiqala ibrand bengumuntu ohleze ekhuluma ngamanye ama brand lamakhulu
okay
bengumuntu ohleze ekhuluma ngama brand ngithi ngayisithixo uthixele namhlanje uthixo Benjamin yabo DJ yabo ngiyafundela vele uphawu yabo hayi ukuthi ngiqale ngaqala yami ibrand bengijwayele ukuchomela ukuchoma kolo ukuthi ngikuncoma ukuthi ayithixo ewuthixele la eyiwathixa la yabo lo ngifundekele ukuthi hayi ushayile you understand ngilokho kukanjalo into evele ibiyikasi you understand
wa inspire yini manje ukuthi wena uqale yakhe ibrand ukuthi okay now sengincome enough ezivela kwabanye abantu let me start my own
ngoba nami bese bengibiza ngosithixo yabo lonto ngathi ngiqale yami ijacket ngibabona bayozenze njani ngithenga iqala you understand ukuyiqala yami ijacket ngifaka amanye ama influencer kulo jacket ngafaka ama celeb you understand amakhulu ngafaka nenyanga ezinkulu ngathi ngiyilontsha avela amaceleb ayiposta we understand avela amaceleb ayiposta bonke labantu abakhulu mabe posta kwenzakalani ngena ama-odd
obvious nawe uyuba well known like nawe njengoba uzoposta le interview mhlawumbe uyishare on your social media platform khona uzobona ukuthi ayi these guys they are doing something good awuthi ngibabone ukuthi bashaya kanjani
yabona ngoba usu-interview mina uzoyibonela ama-subscribers kulandelana
Danko.
Uzoza uthi siyamkoleta usithixo.
Yabona I'm sure people and ama viewers wethu they would want to know ukuthi what was their motivation. There was a motivation ukuthi uvela uqala ujacket lakho. What was the motivation? Yini uvela uhlala ukuthi hey yazi le jacket ngiyayishaya. And nakhona yini ukukunike the drive ukuthi uyishaya besides ukuthi already you had the influence from our celebrities.
Mina into engiqale ngayo nje. Ukucollecta amagama abantu abaqokayo osomatekisi abantu basemalokishini isikhathi esiningi yabo nama artists there's no brand ekwazi ukupraise bonke bafake ndawonye into one kwenza kwinto eyodwa mina ngababhala ku jacket ngabadraft ngaqala ngayidwebeza iphepha encane ngisayidlalelwa yabona ngagcina ngokuthi yazi lento izosebenza understand ngafakela phambili athi asifakele phambili izogcina isebenzile njengoba isebenza kumanje
njengoba isebenza kwamanje
so and then the last question that I have for you brother ukuthi what we have to expect and then what's new that we have to expect from you from now up until and then as you going forward nebrand yakho.
Okay, okokuqala ngoba ngivula isitolo eWaterloo at my own place. Ngifuna ukuthi ngibe neplant ngazi kahle ukuthi ngekiwe le ngelinye ilanga. Angifunanga ukujaha mina izinto koGateway nani. So second plant izoba seNtuzuma. Ngithenga indawo eNtuzuma cash. Second plant le. I-third plant kile izobe siba seMoliki.
Yes.
From emoli ke wazi ke ukuthi yobe siganga omunye umhlathi
hayi uganga ngomunye umhlathi
manje masikhuluma nomuntu angayazi kahle iEnglish masikhuluma ngeplant sikhuluma ngetolo ne ama shops sikhuluma ngama shops so that is the vision
okwamanje
I like the point I show ukuthi uqala ekhaya
yes
that's where you uqala ekhaya and then uye ngokhuphuka
ngoba if ngizojabulela ukuthi sengidumile ngigijime ngemall ngifike lapha ngishawa ama sales nerent ngizoba nenkinga mase ngiqala abantu ngibamuvisa kwiplant yasendlini kanti kufuneka iplant yasendlini ngazi ukuthi into ehlezi khona ngisho ukuthi ngiyamove ngiyalimala le iplant yasendlini bayazi ukuthi khona
Danko Bram
and Bafoza one thing the other question I have what are the difficulties ne la watholile ukusebenza nabantu baziyo ngoba most of the business people they would advise you ukuthi no matter how excited you are ungasebenzi nomuntu owaziyo uzokulimaza or
uzothatha advantage yokuthi lo mjida nyamazi siphile sonke angasebenzi kahle
okokuqala nje ungangibuka umuntu ohlekayo ngiyanqeneka ibackground yami nami usuhlala nami usuhlala nami it's my own place yakucabanga ungitshontshela siqale nje lapho I got cameras everywhere even ngisho nala uthatha khona istock masisazowenziwa kunama camera sonto nesonto ngiyayimonithela ama camera ngingena ngibabize bonke ngithi bukani makhona into errong abayenzile
uzozibuka yena lapha
uzofuna uyibona
afuna ukuphikisa le camera sitshela ukuthi lento esiyibona lapha amanga na
usayiphikisa camera
yazi mina Prime Stico lento ekhuluma ukuthi uqale ekhaya it's very powerful because ngike ngabona nase page yakho ukhuluma advise abantu because ngiyayithanda lento yenza ko Prime advise abantu ukuthi you can lento oyenzako amelanga uqale phezulu noma umuntu asibona sisebenza but angaboni difference ngempilo zethu amangali because siphuma emakhayeni angafani you mentioned that on your group and that's very powerful man umfundisi okuningi kwamina ngisebenza ngiyafunda ukuthi kumele ngisebenzele ekhaya qala ekhaya and then ekhaya mase ku right ikhani ngizoveza abantu and I'm sure khona umuntu obukile manje uyacabanga ukuthi lo mjida babhizi bathu Stico nabantu bebambiza ngoStico igama elithi Stico livela kuphi boshumela kakhulu khani na
yamemeza mina ngiyamemeza
ukumemeza
into yami yona engifakela imali
Yeah.
Yabo umuntu umethele ufana nani hey into mabehwala umama wami hey indoda yakhe memeza iyona kufala imali yona indlela nzami ukumemeza nje bengaye ukumemeza ngizolamba yeah so nje ukumemeza ngisazomemeza ngamemezi ngisazomemeza
so manje Foza manje abantu mabafuna ukuthenga iproduct yakho bangayithola phi or bangakhuluma nobani or how can they get hold of your the ambassador your brand?
You can use that camera, Pram. Sorry to cut you short. You can use that camera and advertise it first.
Ubala lolo. Mina ngitholakala lula nje mawuthe Sithixo.
Yeah.
Siqale nje ngeaddress.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyatholakala mina ngihlapha nina nitholakala. Mina nje mawuthapha uSithixo ku Google Map izothatha ikubeke esitolo.
Yeah.
Understand? Ku TikTok mawuthapha uSithixo uzongithola.
Danko.
Ku YouTube mawuthapha uSithixo uzongithola. Ku Instagram mawuthapha uSithixo uzongithola.
Danko.
Facebook mawuthapha uSithixo uzongithola.
Ama phone number wakho
082 060 3839 082 060 3839 ASB 081 466 3550 081 466 3550 enye ithi 084 5026371 084 5026371
Leo number umama ngeke alwe nawo mabakufonela mabaorder endlini.
Awuyayibamba uyayibamba nje abaphendule
bakuphathe ngentanga
lutho.
Yeah, hayi lo uzomjwayela umfana wethu ukhuluma kakhulu ngeke acede. Tito Prime. Thank you Prime ukuba nathi namhlanje to give us the platform ukuthi sikhulume nawe and learn more about your brand. Sibonge kakhulu Prime. uNkulunkulu akubusise. Podcast 101 with the gents. This is Tito guys. Danko. We're back again. It's your boy Tasco. We're live at Podcast 101 with the gents. And the gents is different, eh? We are blessed. Like no massive as gents, but we are blessed with a glow in between. Organjani Panam.
Mina ngifaka ukubi bakho if umubi we want.
How? Violence. Okay. Oh. But a scale of 1 to 10, movie kangakanani?
Okay, no. I'm
Don't put me on the spotlight.
9 out of 10.
Okay. Let me ask the right question.
Yeah.
On the scale of 1 to 10, uba no between me and 9.
Hi guys, you are the same. Bayafana abantu bonke abankulunkulu guys.
No, ungasabe ngeke akusukumise la. Hayi mina ngizokumela.
Yeah, guys, we blessed with uphiliswa ne? Nokuphila. Sorry, nokuphila kunjani mama?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Nami ngiyaphila, azumuhle kangangani uyabonakala ukuthi mawuzala you were well prepared. Bowenza sure ukuthi ngifuna ubaqeda ngenduku.
No way.
And ubaqedile.
I'm always like this.
Uhlezi nje. It's normal kuwe akusinto entsha.
Every day.
Hawu, siyabonga mama. So mama ubusy ngani nje?
I'm a distributor, Yeshoba. I'm a CEO and a director for Ishoba Lamashange. I do sell Ishoba and the scaffold for Imoto. Maybe you don't know what Ishoba is.
Yeah, I've seen more taxis like Wamashu.
Exactly.
Yes.
This is a huge brand.
Exactly.
Are you do you produce them or we are Tunga? Do you do them from scratch?
Yes, I Tunga, but not from scratch.
Okay.
We basically order them from China.
Okay.
I figure then sifaka this thing and then bekwazi ukufaka emateksini. Our brand is huge. We supply the whole South Africa. Itholakala la eThekwini. And I'm proudly from la Kwamash.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, Tasco, I used to think what this is. It was a real tale. And my question was, I'm a taxi driver. Most of the time, I'm a taxi driver. What animal?
To make this.
Pila. Oh, pila lo kwenza.
Exactly.
This is beautiful.
This is too beautiful,
Thank you.
But tell us, uthi uyenza kanjani
It's basically a foxtail.
Yeah.
It's a foxtail.
Okay.
It's made of fox, but not the real foxtail. But they love it because it's beautiful.
Good. Okay.
They love it because it's beautiful. It decorates imoto zabo, and they believe it's bring luck. And Foxtails brings luck and what's not. But basically, kuwona konke ishoba it all comes down with ukuthanda imoto yakho. Ingezo, we usually as car wash la kuwashwe imoto, it's all about ukuthanda imoto yakho.
Exactly.
Uwashe imoto yakho.
Exactly.
Nawe ube muhle njengoba ningibona.
Yebo.
You know, I wanted to check. Most of the people, bathanda ukuthi babe nama, you know, air fresheners, ama perfume and stuff. So this, is there a way ukuthi, does it have a fragrance or it's just?
No, it doesn't have a fragrance, but our company is big. We sell air fresheners, perfume. Our Garfield, yawazi Garfield.
That's small, but we
just that I didn't have it in stock, but we do sell it as well. We sell uporishu wok shiny imoto yakho. We do sell wheel covers, 87 lawa Toyota. We basically all about ukuthanda imoto yakho. So we supply all of those things abantu abakwazi ukuyithola, and we offer them at an affordable price.
Yazi mama bengifuna ukubuza I was speaking to one of the brands bala kwaMashu, and they spoke something about having challenges mabasaqala, they're not receiving love from home. Mhlambe ibrand yakho mawuqala abantu mhlambe ophila kibo, they won't support you like umuntu okude. Wena did you face those kind of things whereby mawuqala ube nama challenges ungathola uthande ekhaya abantu bagceke?
You know, mawuqala brand, you need to tell yourself ukuthi your supporters are out there. Abantu bangaphandle, abantu baseduzane, they won't support you because bazokubona ukuthi uyazama. But bafuna ukubona uzophelela.
Yebo.
So when the thing is that you need to focus. Uyitshela ukuthi yazini, this is my brand. I'm gonna build it from day one. I'm gonna post your business. Awazi ubona iShoprite ivalile emnyango. Awazi ubona iMcDonald's ivalile. There is uMcDonald's, there is stairs. They all sell burgers. They're always open. So your business must be open every day. You need to be an honest. Yes, exactly. Mina mangiqala, there are competitors, but the main part is to be consistent. Be true to your brand. Post it every day. Coca-Cola, but every day you advertise.
And then I like
exactly. We all start somewhere. So the main part is to be consistent. Yes, your brand, be true to your brand, and also stick to one thing and see if it works before we are going. Fail out every day because they wanna do everything at once. And
one step at a time.
Love your brand, promote your brand. Because I mean,
Pillar. It sounds the line of business yakho. It sounds to be a male-dominated industry. Most it's common ukuthi imoto into zethu. So how the courage without a encouraging ukuthi wena uvela ungena.
Always get this question.
Is there someone behind?
Unobabe ekhaya uthi mama.
Not really. Ngizokutshela something. Thina sikhule oma bedayisa ema-rank. Ngikhulele e-rank myself. I used to be ingane mina egonwa wo-driver ema-rank because my mom was selling kwakwama-seat cover at that time. You see, lezi zinto ey'cover sofa. There used to be ama-seat cover ey'moto, so my mom used to. It used to be our bread and butter. Hence, this business is our family business. So I was like, because I was cool from ema-rank, you know, it all comes down to loving what our parents did. So now I can raise my kids through this. And also, this is a male-dominated industry. I have challenges. I don't know lie to you. You know, siyashelwa. I'm like, don't talk and touch. So you have to be honest to face abantu besilisa emareki, abantu besilisa bazoqhamuka nemali, bazokhekha ngentaining. But when you need to be true to yourself, you know, I'm not trying to belittle abanye abantu, but I always tell them ukuthi angidayisa amaqanda ngisemsebenzini la. You need to buy. If you don't buy, then walk away. You know, you need order. And into engizokutshela yona ishoba alikhulumisi. If uyalifuna lithatha ulikhokhele, that's all. Asiyenza ama credits.
No.
Because nabo etaxi nawugibela ushoda ngeshumi. I always tell them the same thing.
Uthi no ushoda ngeshumi abo taxi driver. If uyakhweza uzofika uzwile la uyakhona ukuthi next time kumele uze nemali ephelele.
Uzofika la uyakhona. So nami I'm like no credits. pay and take.
Yes, yes.
So the other thing I wanted to know, Uguti, right now, where are you in your business? Like in terms of level, whooping a business?
I would say I'm halfway there. Because Cinema's distributors in 6 provinces now.
Okay.
So I'm halfway there. We have like 11 provinces, so we are getting there. We have 9, in fact, 6, 7, 8. We have like 3 left. Asnayo Limpopo, Asnayo where is this? But cinema distributors, Cape Town, Joburg, Durban. We have in Mpumalanga. We have cinema distributors. We love growing the business. Mina empilweni yami angithandi ukusizakala ngedwa. So if a person approach me and says, I want to make money for myself, I'm like, no. Order the stock price, go sell, and they're making money. That's what humbles me the most. You know. So I give in stock price as well, because siyatenga in bulk and sell to the people.
Oh, so manje mama, mina ngifuna ukubuza this ne. Njengoba uyilady umuhle kangaka, do you find it difficult maybe, let's say, because it's very intimidating for other guys ukuthi bajole nabo mama whereby imali yangena ukudlula ikababa? How do you balance those things and uhloniphe ubaba even though ubaba, let's say ubaba akasebenzi? How do you find balance ukuthi okay, I'm the one working and I must try to find balance, ngimhloniphe naye ubaba, ngimuphe space sakhe?
I would say it all comes down to how is your background.
Okay.
Mina, I know you can be ubaba wekhaya but ungabi nemali financially.
Yes, that's true. That's
it all comes down to knowing ukuthi uyamthanda kangakanani lo partner wakho, yabo. So one thing about me, ngisho ngabe kuthiwa awunalutho, ngiyakusupporta, siyasebenzisane. If une business idea, we'll work towards it together. Ungisize lapho nalapho. Imali ayikho enough yodwa. Idinga uthando, support and everything else.
Yabo. That's true.
We have this thing, kube kwenzeka ngama-Mother's Day, Father's Day and what's not. Athi umuntu happy Father's Day to myself. Kusho umuntu esifazane because we get guys. Exactly. We get guys showering women with money but not with hand.
You know the point you're saying, ne? We once had a conversation go podcast here to Guti. For a relationship to be successful, it plays a major role. Like njengoba usho ukuthi abo mama baposta happy Father's Day. Thola ukuthi lo muntu lo ukhulise umama but akasambona ubaba akasamhloniphi. So shout out to you. Now khona ukubalance. It's not all the ladies who can do that.
But when do you believe ukuthi, my question ukuthi, do you believe ukuthi ungahlala nendoda engasebenzi when upusha the way sebenza? Okay, indoda ambition, what kind of a guy? Okay, angazi ukuthi use relationship kanjani, and if you are in a relationship asikhulumi ngayo. What kind of a guy you think ukuthi angakhona ku withstand the person that you are? Because of girls like yourself are very intimidating. Ukuthi umuntu ajole nawe uzovela bona ukuthi ayilo uzongikhathaza,
uzongicontrol ngoba mina nginalutho yena unokuningi ukudlula mina.
Give me a kind guy. The rest is history. If a guy is kind, uzokuthanda ngendlela ekufanele uthandwe ngayo. I know ngithanda ukukhuluma nge-relationship yami, but my partners, mangithi mina kune-order e-Durban stage uselapho. You know, you want a considerate partner, a supportive partner. Give me a kind partner.
Right.
The rest will follow.
If
a person is kind, the rest follows. I promise you.
The rest follows. That's true.
But we have to agree. Money is important in a relationship.
Very important.
And Nina abafazi, you believe ukuthi umchita must have a weight compared to when as a lady.
But
it's not always the case.
Abantu besilisa abanye abanemali abanaluthando.
That's true.
That's a fact. They respect.
I want love above everything. If you support above everything. For the fact that ngitshela ukuthi mina ngine-order endaweni ukuthi uthi okay, sengilapha. For the fact that he carries istock sami la ehamba khona mangithi mina yazi ngine-order endaweni ukuthi uthi okay, I'll pass there. Ngisemsebenzini mina, I work full time. This is my side hustle. I am a sales consultant at Virgin Active. I work 9 hours a day. Full day I'm at work. But because he's a considerate man, he's always there, ready to support. So, there's a kind partner date someone who's considerate, and lastly, uthanda wena.
Tasco, we need more ladies like herself. Like honestly, South Africa would be a better, wouldn't say good.
Mina for me, it's a first. Since sekeza at end yakuthola ukubona umuntu one this mentality, especially with ladies.
As a lady,
mentality yabantazana abaningi manje it's ukuthi indoda kumele ngiphi imali.
Indoda must. Indoda must. Our own money. We just need support. Lapho nalapho. Yes, imali yomuntu wesilisa kumnandi ngisho ukuthi uneyakho.
Yeah.
5 rand.
Oh, if 5 rand right.
No. 5 rand is but leyo and also umuntu abe considerate ukuthi no baby I bought you this bag. It's fine. It doesn't matter what's in Mali. But for the fact that you were walking and you thought of me,
it's the thought that counts. It's the thought that counts. So when it comes back to Ishoba, like it's a business whereby it's most male-dominated business. Nabantu abathenga go for sure. Most of your customers are madoda.
Yes.
Haven't they tried maybe? Obviously, to use your business as an advantage for them to get with you in bed.
What do you mean?
Like. They act like your customer, but deep down he wants to take an advantage. Between.
I think it all comes down with being grounded. That's number one. Number two, fanele understand ukuthi i-target market yakho ayifani. Khona ama-owner, khona taxi driver, khona Uber driver, yabo, khona bazothatha ama-chance. But stick to who you are.
Even a smile from
from the word go, because abantu besilisa vele are manipulative. Khona omunye wathi lunga linishoba malihamba nawe, I was like, dude, don't ever go there. Bayazi ukuthi mina I would say I applaud my customer. Very respectful. I think it's the way I carry myself. Don't sell if you are going to be desperate. Mina ngihlezi ngisho njalo. Because if you're desperate, kuba lula ukuthi beku-manipulate.
To use that.
Manje I'm sorry to cut short. Manje as I'm thinking right now, ukuthi you said you've got car air fresheners, you've got car seats, you've got these ones.
Amashoba,
umuntu manje makufuna akufuna ukuthenga angathola phi ama products wakho?
We are on TikTok, we are Ishoba Lamashange. On Facebook I am Nokuphila Mashange. Ngiyayibambela nje mina ibusiness ikakhulukazi ku TikTok guys. If you are a business person out there, please use TikTok. TikTok is the best platform ever. I started this page in October. Today, Lina ma 10,000 followers. Lina more than 80,000 likes.
Oh my goodness.
People on TikTok are very supportive.
Too much.
Facebook.
Too much.
TikTok.
Facebook,
TikTok is the way to go.
All the way.
I know abantu abaningi bathi ama 2K ingane encane. The older people are on Twitter. Go, if you are a young person right now and you want to start a business, go to TikTok.
Thank you.
You will never go wrong.
Thank you.
So, I heard Usho something with you when do you have a 9 to 5 job like a normal?
Yes.
And you do your own.
Exactly.
Your own business.
Come on, man.
One salary is not enough.
We need ladies like yourself in South Africa. Ladies must stop this mentality that yes, we as guys will buy you beautiful things.
Exactly.
If I love you.
But it comes with a price, man.
But you must.
It comes with a price. It always comes with a price. So for good control and everything.
And the respect I can most cases. You know, Tasco, I wish we had enough time. No CC. We still have a lot to talk about.
Our postcard is from around here. Usis is from around here.
Exactly.
So Singamtola at any time. We need to do more of this. And here's what I love about you, you are a lady with self-respect. And I think most of the ladies out there, they must look up to you.
Yeah, they are looking out.
We don't want to call them in names. They are a bad influence to our ladies out there. If you can't buy me kush, I won't take you. But if you can work for yourself and have a healthy relationship and move on. So abantu now batting spotlight and we'll have you in a show. Thank you, Isa. And now I'll get one. I need one for my car.
One last question.
Yeah.
Asizela, what is an it girl? Like, what is an it girl? Get definition ya kunje. Just Asizela, push Lulis. Definition ya.
And it girl is me, number one.
Yeah.
And it girl is someone who loves herself, who walk the talk. Because I'm bold, I'm beautiful, I'm a businesswoman. Push up hand up here. We must see you doing the things that you say you are.
No, I thank you.
Yazi. No. Yazi le it girl ne.
Yeah.
Iga itu.
Yeah. Okay.
Kahle wena i-question ofuna ibuza ukuthi i-gold digger ne. Let's say kunomuntu. No, it's a general question. Let's say kune gold digger ne. Otholane let's say ushade nonenye indoda ne. They get married, indoda iba broke. And then uyaphuma yosebenza lo mfazi. But usasila ngendlela wrong. Abuye nemali ahlogomela indoda endlini. Would you call that lady ukuthi gold digger? Like she was there for the back?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because if she was there for the back, she was gonna leave. Athole indoda with a bigger bag. Yazi mama, your presence ukuba la kusplace kakhulu. Laba, mara no, it's a topic for another day. Thank you for coming ne.
Thank you.
Guys,
I am Unokuphila Mashange on Facebook and Instagram. On TikTok, I am Ishobala Mashange, Ishobala Ngempela.
Guys, support Siswethu, please. She's doing everything for herself. Siyabonga sisine.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Hallelujah, guys. It's your boy Tasco, and we're still live from Podcast 101 KwaMashu. Guys, wow. We are blessed with the presence of two beautiful ladies, Nancy D, no DJ. Guys, like, yazi, bengacabanga ukuthi mangikala le podcast I could have a chance your questioner interrogate such beautiful ladies and umuntu one power kanje DJ Hlo. You've blessed us so much ngomusic wakho, right maramam?
Right, it's a pleasure. It's only a pleasure to be here.
Siyabonga mama. Ubekwa yini kwaMashu namhlanje ebusuku kangaka?
Guys, nyazi phela thina sabantu abasenza ebusuku.
Yes.
Isegigini, and we have here to like perform and have fun. Jabulisa abantu umsebenzi wethu.
Uhamba no Nancy D, is she working with you currently?
Yes.
Yeah. Bones. Yo, sorry. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu Bonsi D. Yes, siyabonga mama. Yeah. Also usebenza no DJ Hlo okwamanje. Is she working with you in the same recording company? Oh, sorry kancane ne. Can I please check your mic? Oh, yeah, it's on. Can I please check this one? Yeah, this one is on. Yeah. Ungaqhubeka mama.
Yebo, igama Bonsi D and
ma'am.
ngisebenzisana no DJ Hlo.
Oh, is it? So what kind of genre music owenzako wena uyiphi genre?
Okay, uBonsi D udlala i-classic.
Oh, is it?
Yes, udlala i-deep house.
Yeah.
Udlala piano and Afro house.
So ushaya inamba kahle kahle.
Inamba dude.
And DJ Hlo, hey, it's been a while since I've seen you. Ukuphi usifihlephi kangaka? Are you busy with a project or something?
I mean, as an artist, you're always busy with something.
Yes.
I guess especially at all.
Yeah. So, do you have something to ask my friend?
What I'm asking myself right now, I'm still shocked. You know, I never saw myself sitting next to like Tasco Kuluma with you never imagined. And you know, it's funny because our time was so brief. By this time we plan with him shoot us harm.
Yeah.
But something in us, we sometimes it's not a coincidence. You know,
yeah, it was meant to happen. It was meant to happen.
Otherwise, Ninja and Abosis.
I say right, but we can't wait to rock the crowd.
Definitely.
We just can't wait to
rock. Roka namhlanje usiyayishiya leseti la siyo roka nathi lephezulu. No way. So are you gonna game together namhlanje or omunye nomunye neslot sakhe?
Omunye nomunye neslot sakhe.
Neslot sakhe. Oh wow. And then that guy is your producer or your manager?
Babu Zulu uyi manager yethu.
Okay. Oh, he's the manager. Oh, okay. So I know DJ Hlo ukuthi unama hits. What are you planning? Any product opizing ngayo manje? Are you on stage? Are you cooking something for us?
Actually, I do have a single out. It's called Ithuba Lami. I went to Sky. Pushkini.
Yeah.
So the song is out on all.
Oh, it's available now. Abantu bangakwazi ukuyithola. Yes. Oh, wow.
So guys, since you guys are working together, is there any project whereby you guys are doing together collaboration?
Yeah.
Not as yet. Askagabi in that collaboration field, but
yeah. It's
Yeah. So will you guys be performing today? Right here.
Yeah, obvious. That's the reason why they are here.
Different slots, but
yeah.
Is it?
So Bon City, namhlanje usiblessa ngani? Deep house, piano.
Namhlanje nginiblessa ngamapiano.
Ayo. So umuntu onfunako mhlambe or do they come to you direct or baya kubabuzulu le?
baya
kuye straight and then book you from corner. Okay, that's nice. Guys, thank you so much for being with us. I'm so blessed. If I knew what you were gonna be here, I was gonna be prepared, fully prepared.
You know, I wish I wasn't on duty. Yes, I wish I had time. I wanted to actually ask Guti guys, where is the next gig?
Yeah. All the way. So, sorry to cut you short. You wanted to say something?
Kiki, Ilaikaya, Emma.
Yeah.
So, Teacher Hlo, are you from around KwaMashu?
From Durban. I'm from Mauritius, born and bred in Durban.
Oh, you are from here. La KwaMashu kaslako la ukulela khona.
No, not at all. Nkhulule SCView.
Oh, SCView. Oh, okay. So, Bon City, kunesikhathi esingangani ukhona industry ni DJ?
Bon City industry uqale ngo-2017 bengisebenzisana with the Godfathers of Deep House. Yes. Ngawo ngaqala nge-Deep House.
Oh yeah.
But ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngaqabona ezinto okay abantu bathanda ini.
Yeah.
Amapiano.
Yes.
And mina ke ngithandani.
Yeah.
Ngithanda mina. Old school music guys, the classic.
Bon City, Deep House in the there are ama gatekeepers. How when as a lady ube ne courage ukuthi yazi mina i-Deep House lamajita ngizobajayiva.
Yeah.
Because i-Deep House it's not easy ukuthi umuntu avele control the crowd and everything. How do you work around that?
Kuya ngokuthi crowd yakhe kanjani njengoba usushilo. Yes. Bathandani.
Yeah.
Nokuthi nje like labantu asebekhulile. Ngizokhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah.
Labantu asebekhulile ibona bayithanda i-Deep House.
Yeah.
Uphe crowd yakho.
Yeah.
Yes, yikona njengakusho and njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngisengikhule with from ama Godfathers and the Godsons as well.
Yeah.
Yes, bona manje ngikhule kubona kakhulu.
So DJ Hlo ngicela ukubuza something ne from a lady, let's say kunomntazana omncane or still an upcoming DJ naye ufuna uzibona ku level yakho and let's say you say stage you are rock, we know ukuthi kunama hiccups nyana, maybe she's trying to rock but she doesn't find balance. Kulisa kanjani umuntu lo to say no, keep pushing, uthole balance, ube on the flow nje akhambe endleleni zakho up until ufike khona la namhlanje?
Ngingasho nje ukuthi umuntu if ebona ukuthi uba nama hiccups like just dlula kuyona. I know Soluti said it's 1 hour. It's a long hour. So don't let that one hiccup determine your whole set.
Oh yes. Beautiful.
So for me, ngisaqala kwangenza lokuthi one hiccup so you learn to build your confidence. So build your confidence. Most it's okay, not hiccup dlula kuyona. So crowd ayinaka kuwena because you want to be a perfectionist. So crowd happy. So dlula and keep on doing your best.
Keep on doing it.
Guys, there's a say ukuthi in music industry nama gatekeepers. What is your take on that?
Especially this new genre ya piano. we all know ukuthi bathi kune gatekeepers awazi ukhipha music okanje because bazo gatekeeper ukuthi unga trained in something like that. How do you go about that Nina? Nibona njani? Do you think there is gatekeeper?
What is your opinion ngale ndaba yama gatekeepers? Because it's affecting our upcoming artists like really.
Yeah.
Mina ngwazi.
And he has now.
So
Mina ngwazi.
You guys, but for real, you guys are doing so good, so well. Like you are an inspiration to a lot of young artists. You should keep up your good work, and then God bless everything that you put your hands on.
Yeah. I'm just happy ukuthi there are ladies out there who are doing good, especially Nina. You need to be more on the platform so that young ladies can see whatever that you're doing. Babona ukuthi it's possible. Bangadepend too much emadodeni ukuthi indoda must. I'm sure Nina guys, you are working for yourselves and you need to be more on the media ukuthi nabazako bafunde kini. We love you a lot for doing that. Nifundise nalabo bazako because the people
and it's a face to be inspirational, right? To bona uplift them.
Yes. So nabafuna usizo, are they allowed to come to you? Sorry to cut you short there. Are they allowed to come to you? Nabafuna usizo.
Ngaphambi ukuthi ngiphendule lokho.
Yeah.
Le ndlela lena guys ayikho lula.
Yeah.
And futhi akuphumeleleki ngonyaka owodwa or ngosuku olodwa.
Yes, that's true.
It's a very long like
it's hard. Yes. That's true.
But also abanye it is overnight. Baningi siyabazi.
Yeah.
So guys, whether it's overnight or 1 year or 10 years, you keep going until ufila
nokuthi futhi ube nothando.
Okay, yeah.
Ngaphandle kokuthi ukuthi unemali kuleyanto leyana ube nothando lwalento.
Yes.
Bekezele futhi
uthando phambili kwemali.
Yeah.
Nokuthi ubekezele futhi.
Thank you mama. Thank you very much for blessing us in your presence here namhlanje. We love you a lot.
My last question is actually it's not a question per se, but then we would like to interview guys. We just squeezed in his card. We wanted to have more of you guys. How do we go around to getting hold of you guys? How can we get hold of you?
There's a lot.
Through Mr. Zulu.
Okay.
Protocol in
my socials.
My
socials as well. I think it's also important.
Okay, my social media, DJ Show on Instagram, Facebook page DJ Show. Yonke indawo nje na Twitter DJ Show.
Yeah.
Okay, uBon City ku Instagram, uBon City. Okay, Bon City the DJ.
Yeah.
Ku Facebook uBon City Ngiswayo, my surname.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Siyabonga bomama, siyabonga.
Guys, welcome to Podcast 101 with the gents. We are blessed with the big manager of the bigger brands in KZN, Mr. Zulu. Mr. Zulu!
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Nothing much, but I'm basically the one that is blessed to be here on Podcast 101 with the gents.
Thanks, Mr.
Thanks very much for hosting me, guys.
Sibonga kakhulu Mr. Zulu. Mr. Zulu mhlambe khona umuntu ongathi makabheka le ekhaya azibuza ukuthi mara Mr. Zulu ubani? Umanager bani njengoba bathi imanager yama bigger brand nje.
There's quite a lot that I do. But basically because you asked about the management.
Yes.
I'm in the field of entertainment. I manage my artists. I also do my events, hence we are here MA4 Kawash.
Yes.
We are supporting one of our brothers, Uputum Zamo, with the all-white party that was supposed to be taking place on the 6th. But then obviously it rained, it weather messed us up, and we are here today. And it's a very good climate. It's a very good what you call environment.
Yeah.
Very well.
Yes.
And I manage my artist, hence I'm here. I'm supporting him as one of my fellow colleagues in events management and as artist management as well. Gilana, my artist wami, and I manage DJ Bongsi, DJ Show, and Maning Amanye. But today I'm here with DJ Bongsi, no DJ Show.
No DJ Show. Oh, you've got more artists besides the two?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay.
I also manage Uputum Sandeni, USK, Abanye Bamaziyo.
Oh, wow,
Yes, I manage Umsandeni, regionally though, with regards to Mangabe Elar, we region yaseThekwini. Yes, I coordinate some events work and everything of that sort.
Oh, yes,
but obviously Mangabe Kwamanyama province. There's because Mkhulu. National, international.
Yes.
Or manage or somewhere else. But Mangabe Engala eThekwini. I do manage.
You handle everything on his behalf.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Mr. Zulu, sorry man, sorry to cut you short. Tell me, I see today you pitch no DJ show, no Bong CD, right?
Yes.
Ukaleni nukusebenza na artist.
It goes with DJ show. It goes 3 years ago.
3 years ago, yes.
Yes, when she was the first female. Basically, I think you should applaud for me, guys. When she became the first artist DJ to win a Song of the Year. I was there.
It was 2020, ne?
Yes, exactly.
Shout out to that.
We remember that was history. She made history. She was the first lady to do that.
Yeah, she made history, and that history was very comprehensive. And it was
feel free.
that history was remarkable.
Remarkable.
Then ubongisi kalukusebenza naye ngonyaka odlule we recruited her from obesebenza nama
Godfathers, yes.
Besebenza nama Godfathers. And then obviously because of the distance, province, she required the management very local. Then I took her on and she has done remarkably well. Then there are also other various artists who are managed that I won't mention here. But one thing that I need to mention to you, even I call him a brother.
Yes.
He was supposed to be in this event. But again, my commitments are very far. He couldn't make it.
Can I quickly ask you a question? You mentioned something about DJ Show being the female to win the Song of the Year. On that win, we know nama complications. People are complaining on how she won because they don't know her. You must have done something from your side as a management. How did you come about that thing, overcoming all those negative things that were coming from the audience?
Well, the first thing first, to mention with podcast 101, where the chance is.
Yes.
We should not beat around the bush or hide the information. We know there was a lot of things that were said. Even before that, what I want to tell you from the management side. I groom artists. I manage artists professionally under a company called Global Community Entertainment Events. Now, with that comes in a lot of efforts, a lot of capital resource, and a lot of connections. That one there we cannot never run away from. Whether in all aspects of life, you use the resources that you have.
That's true.
Now coming to your question is how we handled the negative comments and everything else of that sort. We were already aware they were going to be negatives.
But
one thing that we can assure viewers of 101 is we worked very hard. Guys, I'm going to put it out as is. There were insinuations that DJ Show slept with somebody, Kozini, DJ Show bribed somebody, Kozini, and what? No, we did not do that.
It's not
true.
But
what we did was we put our efforts in our marketing strategy. Ukuze uDJ Hlo win.
Win.
You must remember one thing.
Yeah.
His song of the year is won on votes.
Yes, that's true.
So if I put in E-Capital to vote for the song of the year, that song will win. Whether wena awulazi or wena umazi uHlo. It's not everybody. First things first. It's not everybody that listens to Ukhozi. It's not everybody that will know ama artist wonke akhona. Now, uDJ Hlo worked very hard on that year. Produced the song. I was part of his production. Worked very hard to promote that song. We were going in and out of taxi ranks, in and out of schools, in and out of each and every community place to promote that song. And we voted for that song. Myself as a manager, I was one of the voters that voted for that song.
That's true.
So it was merely and specifically and clearly on voting.
But you mentioned something, Guti. There were financial resources that were involved. Guti into enhlanganjalo iphumelele. Ngicela ukubuza man, uthe into sivele sishaye doing akho. Masikhuluma nge-financial resources, and are you talking ukuthi kunemali ephumile yavele yanikwa Ukhozi or something?
Angifuni ukuthi uyitreat
I misinterpret.
Yes, uyitreat backwards.
Forward.
It's into. You invest in your success.
Yes.
This podcast. It will be successful because of what you've invested.
Thank you.
It will not be successful. Then invest on it.
That's
I'm
true.
answering your question. Now, if Guguti, we gave out money to whoever, how are we recouping that money back? I'm a business manager. I make money out of managing. I'm an artist. I make money out of events. I cannot run my horses. Before they are ready or they are prepared.
It don't make business sense.
It doesn't make business sense.
Exactly.
Now, what I'm saying to you is, we invested for its success. Now, let me say, we paid particular people. How are we making that money back?
Making history, being on the Wall of Fame. They didn't want.
We've never received a call saying, come guys, you'll be on the Hall of Fame and we give you so much. Basically, what we've invested. Or when I said resources, it was not only financial resource. I also mentioned marketing resource, personal resource. So out of yonke into esenzayo esenza ukuthi sibe dominant as we speak, or maybe sibe relevant to the market. It's because of a collective, a comprehensive resource that we put in. Obviously, financial does not remain backwards. Financial will always be there. We are here today to support our brother. And let me say,
kancane baba, kancane Prem. Yeah, Kubega Prem.
Let me make irrelevant reports as we speak. We are here supporting our brother.
Thank you.
And what I want to say is, we made sure, myself as a business manager, we support this so that it becomes a success.
A success. That's true.
Now
That's
tell
true.
me,
That's
from your question, who did we pay so that we can come here and make this a success?
No, I wanted to understand the financial resource injection mali.
Okay. Nifaka petrol. Emotweni yami.
Yes.
La ngizospenda imali as a businessman. Ngizospenda imali for my artist. Ukuthi abe right. We hospitality.
Presentable and everything.
Yes, because I'm supporting my brother.
Leyo
mali banozoyibuyisa.
Akekho.
No, akekho.
Exactly. So that is why I said we are here to support another brother to make this event successful. To make DJ Hlo successful. We had to do such. We had to put in effort. We had to put in sacrifices. So in this podcast, to be quite honest, I must say, this is the first platform that I'm speaking of the success of DJ Show.
Yes.
I have been invited to my radio stations, my TV shows and whatnot, and I've never done that. But here, in my Fokawash, this is our brother. I felt so good. It's
you
very
must address
important.
this.
Yes. This is some of the community work that we are doing.
But
you guys,
one
thing that I need to mention as well. Perhaps I mentioned it a background. The aim of the podcast is to deliver raw content. Now we go to radio stations. We can't mention names. We can't mention what's We go to television shows. It's all censored. Here we will present it to
raw.
Raw. To people like how it is. So to everybody that is watching or that is following, I want to mention it to DJ Show did not sleep with anybody. DJ Show did not pay anybody. DJ Show did not bend to anyone. She puts in that effort. We as a managing team and management team puts in that effort, and we got that.
And Ivalile namhlanje, which means she won the Song of the Year deservingly so.
And she worked hard on the Song of the Year, and she was led by a very good management. Because for management good run for 3 years, the artist, I'm an artist, bra, I collapse. That one is I'm an artist, I collapse very quick.
It's a fact.
So Uguti uhambe ne artist for 3 years, Mr. Zulu, it tells a lot. People must go and check your company, management company, and then babona ukuthi bakakhona
one question, sorry, Mr. Zulu, before you, I just want to answer this question. You are a manager, yama artist. What are the challenges you face guma artist in terms of management and stuff? What are the challenges so now as a manager? I think you have males as well, males and female guma artists, especially artist manning. What are the challenges?
My brother.
I
want to stipulate it and emphasize it here on podcast 101 with a chance.
Yes.
To address what you've just said, basically is a good question. DJ Show is going very far. In October, I must tell you, from October, we are having international gigs.
International.
Portugal and Germany. Yes. From October, so international tour.
Wow.
Internationally. Fuck off. Man. I'm an artist, managing I'm an artist. Like I mentioned here, I don't know if it was on record. There are a lot of other things that I do. But one of the challenging elements at managing an artist is they are humans. They have their upbringing. Sebebadala, benama relationships, benama dreams
and influence
influence. Athi umuntu when afika kwena sene dream yakhe isi structured says mina ngifuna lokho. Then wena sefana ukuthi umguide wenze ama sacrifices. Ziningi izinto but ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale eshaya wonke ama artists, not only awam. Financial flow. Awuthi ngikutshela. Ngitshela wonke umuntu futhi. Financial flow ama artist more especially waseDurban. I haven't worked with ama artists aseGold or ama artists awo Cape Town or whatever. Ngisasebenze DJ Happy Girl. Ngisebenza nabo. Fly Motion
yamazi.
Ngisebenza nabo. Yes. So awuthi ngikutshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Tha Simelane. Swazi. Yes.
Wow.
Into eyenzakalayo la. I-artist special qhamuka because backbone we-business financial tracing and records.
Yes.
That is why uzozwa ama stories amaningi eqhamuka with ama artists ase prominent njengabo Zahara abobani hey imanagement wayengrob because ama artists njengoba ngitshela ukuthi asuwasenze dream esayibone o Beyonce esayibone o Jay-Z beka understand ukuthi kunalezi zinto ezenzeka behind the scenes njengo financial implications ukuthi mangabe wenza 1000 imali ezofika kuwena as an artist mhlambe u300 noma u400 rand because you must remember there is a makeup involved there is studio there is a studio production there is logistics cost there is telephone calls that we have made
Yes.
for you to be there. There's a catering I've just mentioned. What do you above 1,000 rand? Let's say ukuthi artist will booking 1,000 rand.
Yes.
Ukudla. Traveling. Makeup. Ucabanga ukuthi qhamuka kephi kanti?
Izophuma kule 1,000 leyo.
Yes.
Obvious.
Ngicela nina ningibalele. Yonke lento esengishilo nezinye engingazazi. Nama calls. Ukwenza i-call uthi mfethu ngidinga artist lam lapho. Mfethu ngicela ufake artist lam. Uthola ukuthi at times mfethu i-poster ngifuna ukwenza le example namhlanje bekufanele siye kaNongoma si-booked by Action SA ubusuyiqedile event yawo ngenza ama calls I made ama calls to each and everybody ku Action SA angilalanga izolo ngenzela ukuthi ama artists wami abe khona ku event bashintsha i-poster yes bayishintsha i-poster bese complete bafaka ama artists wami graphic design umkhokhela malini uthi
ashintshe le poster for umsebenzi esuphelile bawu redesign again
mina i-logic yami ngitshela ukuthi if kule 1,000 leyo i-management ngasala ngo-50 rand because imali yonke le iphelele yokuya ama-cost lawo it's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
Sometimes yabona thina abantu abamnyama we have the tendency of dragging each other down. I'm sure I can bet my man ukuthi kulama rumors lawo there are people that knows you, that knows your company, people that knows your artist, people that wants to drag your company on the ground. Thina singabantu thina abodaka sithanda ukusupportana. That's the problem. That's one of the problem.
You know, on that one, I spoke to Ulans. Ulans, CEO of Ukheto Raf. You know, as means of for personal development and understand the industry. Those are Babis Wangani in Lama Legends. Yes, when it comes to that. And look, Nina, as media, you can say anything, you can never break me.
That's true.
That guy,
That guy
still stands.
That's true.
Out of Mendoza, out of Otis Zozo, out of Abo
Yeah.
But he still stands because he understands what he runs a business. And one thing that we as in management, because we work behind the scenes, we don't rush to go and defend ourselves.
Oh yes, that's true. That's true.
Because
that's true.
Business, lean a police. Business in a framework.
Yes.
This is what's going to happen, and this is so Nina. Because our artist becomes popular. So now we don't become popular.
That's true.
Artists will TV every day.
Yes.
Nobody gives us a chance.
And you know, there's one thing I've realized. When times are good, our management are not being recognized. But when the artist collapse, financially, physically, it goes back to the management. I'm a manager by Yankolota. It's because of management.
When you are carrying it from me, I mean, I'm not a very big company. I'm not a very big manager. But in time for we will meet. Again after maybe 2, 3 or 5 years.
Yes.
I will be big.
I
will be big. And I wish Nani at that time nibe big. Yes.
Sikwazi ukukhuluma.
Ngifuna ukuthi nibe testimony.
Yes. Siyakhuluma. Mr. Zulu, siyakhuluma kuze kuphumela kusasa prime. Sisazohlangana, we still have more to talk about. Guys, please make some noise for Mr. Zulu. Thanks for coming through, my brother.
For the last time, tell mention management company.
Mr. Zulu of Global Community Entertainment and Projects Events.
Yes.
Bafethu, podcast 101 with the Chance.
Thank you, man.
Follow, let it grow.
Yes.
Support Umtomnyama. Support us. Don't judge us.
Thank you.
Asisebenze ndawonye.
Siyabonga baba.
As a collective.
Yes. Yes.
Siye kude.
Thank you,
we all need to support each other.
Yes.
Ngelinye ilanga nawe uyosidinga to present this perspective.
Nakanjani.
So ngiyabonga bafethu.
Nakanjani. Mr. Zulu. Hola guys, it's your boy again, your boy Tasker. Welcome to Podcast 101 with the Gents, and we're tuning in right now with the boy, Double T. Double T, my dog.
So, my boy.
How's it?
Engrenja mambani.
I'm Nandi Njaya. Mama sure khona umuntu obhekile le ekhaya uyazibuza ukuthi lo mthitho ogqoke lamazaza webhayisikila, lamazaza wekuta ubani? Who's Double T?
Double T is an underground artist.
Yeah.
I won't call myself underground, but I'm still considered as underground.
Upcoming.
Yeah, not upcoming.
Oh.
I've passed the level
You've
of
passed
upcoming.
that level of stage.
Because I've worked with a lot of commercial artists like legends, likes of Oma Talagunene. Yabo abantu abasebenzisana no Ray Phiri, Hugh Masekela and all of shit.
Wow.
So I can't consider myself as an underground artist, but I can't say ukuthi ngiyahlanganisa.
Yeah. Lapho nalapho.
Uyangithola.
Lapho nalapho. It's just a matter of time nje ukuthi you hit it.
No meaning, yabo. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Njalo mfethu.
Alright. Manje ekhaya for sure abantu abakwazi ngo Double T. There's a name that you got from home. Double T ubani igama lakhe?
No, mfethu Khwezi, mfethu Dominic wakanqobo isibongo ne?
Wakanqobo.
Yeah, abangaziyo from Joburg, eSbukeng, eValley. That's where I was born and bred.
Wow.
But impilo yangithatha yangibeka eDubane kwaMashu.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can also represent uMashu because my dad is from KwaMashu.
Oh wow. Oh, your dad is
Olet is from Valley and then mina Itama is from KwaMashu. So that's how I became a resident yalakama. Yeah, ngumZulu. But kimsuthu and other way because katsebo wasuthu njaka wabo.
Yeah.
Kitsomo Valley cause bantseba Bukeng ke 031 bantseba ko 011
Danko Brian
ko 161.
Yeah.
Ke Valley wanthola re kaofela.
Danko Brian.
Sure dog.
Yeah, kutumetse. Ubrian kolo uphuma le endaweni yakho ninaye ngakhuluma language efana kona ngathi kirikiri no tunzwa.
Akela uthama. Mina nawe
ubone lanjani?
Nalwena rabulela uthaka ke.
Yeah, njaka.
Hey, kulaphiso kubaZulu namajita bayandahlele le ndawo uthaka. Yakwazi. Phela nalwena.
Yeah.
We have the capacity ukuthi singaba challenge ngoba we can speak their language. Sikhulume language yethu.
Noma ikuphi sitholakele
so awuthema ngitshele ne.
Sure.
U-Double D udume ngalo udume ngeographer entertainment.
U-Double D dog it's business.
Yeah.
When I say business is business, I mean like there's no way you can say you can't find Double D.
Yeah.
It comes to hip hop music. Rap and con. It comes to music production. Like I'm a producer. I also have input. I have I'm an artist. Akwazi ukuthi abe I'm a MC to I'm events. I have niggas who host events. Itubane Wave. It's a brand. It's a clothing brand. Yabo njengamanje ngigqoke inkonzi. Inkonzi ungayithola eSportscene, ungayithola noma kuphi. If ungayazi ungayitshela ukuthi it's a local brand but we're selling nationwide.
Oh yeah.
So uDouble T mfethu ngasho ukuthi it's an entrepreneur. Ukhona yonke indawo as long as it's entertainment siyatholakala my brother.
Kahle wena you're in the media. You are multi-talented. You can do anything that
mfethu washo aka wathi we multi-talented, multilingual.
So question ngaDouble T ukuthi yini ekwenze motivator and then motivate you to
I like your question my brother. Motivation starts from way back yabo. Mina I never thought ukuthi bengizoba yilomjita uhambe estradeni uhambe performela abantu uhambe lokho efuna attention yangithola. Mina I thought of myself being someone that is educated, someone that went to school, someone okwazi ukuthola ukuthi ama qualification okwazi ukuthola ama degrees ama honors but at the end of the day impilo ayikunikeze wena what you have perceived as umuntu uyangizona impilo izohlezi kunikeza what you have indirectly wanted
exactly
uyangizona for example what I'm trying to say ukuthi bengingafuni ukuba artist but I find myself as an artist because khona influence engayithola somewhere somehow in my life eyanconverter to this path le engikuyona yangithanda so mfethu Double D ngasho ukuthi is just a revolutionarist umuntu obengayimisela ukuthi angabe lento le enina enazi ukuthi uyiyona but uyazithola somehow
of some reasons nje uyangithola lapho sorry to cut you short man yazi we know there's a lot of artists up there abazako bapush music but they don't make it to some level maybe wena njengoba ukuthi ufike la ufike khona you worked with big brands like abo Ray Phiri just like you said upushe kanjani Prime ukuthi ufike lapho encourage maybe someone who's watching at home naye afake the much effort le wena oyifakile
ukuze bathina abantu abamhlophe bathi you need to give credit where it's due
thank you Prime
so yabo nami ngeke ngisho ukuthi ukuhlakanipha kwami just like empilweni ekuthiwani ukuhlakanipha kwakho as umuntu akona wena as knowledge yakho but is about lo muntu osiphethe who's above yabo so mina ngasho ukuthi my knowledge enginayo and where I've been in this music industry is because of umuntu oyedwa which is uMadala Kunene and he's not currently well health wise manje angazi noma we saw the hashtag kuma social media we're working on the hashtag Uniphonic DJ Spoo, Black Coffee. There's a lot of huge artists abazama ukuthi basebenze naye uMadala. He's not good, he's not well health wise. But uMadala Kunene he's one of a motivation that was brought into me. Angazi indirectly ngathi idlozi or something but also find out he was linked to umndeni wami yabo.
A family friend
like umkhulu wami he helped him to be where he is so he's trying to bring back the favor because mina umkhulu wami sewashona yabo so like he passed on so uMadala Kunene ngasho ukuthi he's the one onginikeza le influence ukuthi say you know what you need to keep going you need to keep carrying on strive as much as you can and then
exactly my guy
everything can happen dog
anything can happen
manje bengazi ngizohlala nani but anything can happen dog
and nawe usenzele favor nathi besingazi ukuthi izohlala nawe
ngiyabonga bafethu
so Mr Double D angitshela do you guys I see you work as a group ne ngiyabona ukuthi une team yakho usebenza is there any project ni busy ngayo right now or is there something people
Yes, Uvila is working on a project manje. It's gonna drop like anytime soon. When are you dropping your project, dog? Next month in May. My brother Villa is dropping a project. Now I'm also working on a few songs. I'm working on a few songs. It's just that I'm not titled in terms of dropping in terms of specific dates. But ukuze ngibe specific, ngasho ukuthi for now I can represent Oprah Wami, who's working on a huge project. From the likes of me, from the likes of MQT, like a lot of artists and mhlawumbe and face ukuthi nikhulume nabo. For sure. RIP Kambuba talk lo shonile mfethu umsamaria mfethu like sinevocal emhlabeni so like there's a lot of artists that are involved. Usevi is one of the biggest MCs in Durban right now.
I know him.
Like Spaning bafisa hlanganisa yabo. But for me to be specific, I'm not working on anything that's gonna drop soon. I'm just working on performances, but you need to look up for Villa. I'm on his project as well. Set drop next month.
Okay, so Double D, in terms of social media, and then in terms of Facebook, Instagram, and all this, in terms of booking and all this.
Double TSA
book and then all those things.
Double TSA, dog. It's DOUBLEDEESA. My emails it's at gmail.com, at iCloud. And then ungawazi ungithola on Facebook, ungawazi ungithola on TikTok, ungawazi ungithola on Instagram. Dubane Waves Movement, Plastic Fabrics. There's a lot of accounts, but so anyway,
so Double D man, just a quick one. I know I see what you already are a big brand. If ever, which artist right now would you wish to collaborate with? Which artist do you wish to work with right now? As we speak, Uguti, athi uyazini athi ngithinta double D manje yo ngishaya iphathi ngishaya iverse nalomjito
sure hey mfethu ukuthi mina I spit for a living mina I spit to save my life yabo so I wouldn't mind any rapper kahle kahle but shout out to Uzakwe just because he's from like where I'm from. He's representing the hood. Like Uzakwe has a tour in USA right now. He's going to USA in a few weeks time. So I would like to have a verse with Uzakwe. And shout out to Amashita Sekasi, Otan Kenny, shout out to all Musicaholics. Musicaholics is coming on the show, by the way, later on. So he also like invited me a few weeks back with Toyake. We had a very fun like we're cracking it up in the stage. But like Upleki bafethu singamkhohlwa ne?
Yes.
Upleki is from Durban. Upleki, I was touring with Upleki with Cloud Internet Boys. If he's gonna see this, he knows.
You know, Blakey, you know.
Shout out to Leo the Leo. So, but for now, the main vocalist and
there will be a lot of artists that will be watching this episode. I tell you that. I was shying a verse, I was shying
Yes,
ufuna ibeat kanjani? Ufuna ibeat kanjani?
Hayi khuleka. Yes, bengithi ngizongisindisa kuleyo nto leyo.
Come on.
Okay, so lalela show. Lalela say it's double the cup and it's double the D. I'm running a jail when I chill with the G's. Down when I pray, when I go on my knees, and success is the mind, I feel is the least. I'm currently here and I'm here to the field with the flow, with the hook, and I'm killing them all. We're gonna choose every day, nigga, just to afford. Yeah, man, so angeke lonke kakhulu.
Thank you,
for the rest.
Uqedile ushayile, uvalile Bram.
Ngijokile but it's fine. Ngijoke for ama-artist angangikhokhelanga.
Thank you.
Ngikhokhele uzobona ngeke ngijoke.
Thank you Bram. Manje Bram Double D in terms of music wise uqale kanjani? Uqale nini? Do you have an album that singathi masikhamba manje sayoyichecka sabona salelele ukuthi boshaya kanjani?
Yeah, mfethu akhona amasingile mfethu. Khona i-Whole Squad on all digital platforms.
The
Whole Squad is Double DSA featuring MQT. Ngine iziningi akhona hey bro, there's the same
itholakala kuphi? Spotify.
Yeah, everywhere dog.
Everywhere.
Ungasesho Double DSA. Uzobona project. Khona same project. Also find out dog, I only have one project dropped, yabo.
Just
that the impact in terms of the marketing with people that are associated with.
Yes.
I'm not that big but I'm big.
You there. Nakanjani you there.
Yeah, MP Mbunachi na ukhona mfethu, he's dropping a new song. What's the title of the song, dog? 2-1 drill. Now I'm also dropping a drill song in a few months time. It's just that I need a big verse about Benkhulumeni Lucas raps.
But in the project that's still ongoing.
Still pending.
So
mfethu ngasho ukuthi umusic ukhona online. Like I said, it's Whole Squad. Khona Millions featuring me and MQT Records. Khona ingoma noMadala Kunene, the same guy I was telling you with.
Yes.
uMadala Kunene, there's Double D featuring SA uMadala Kunene. Like if it's some music dog. Music. It's just Double D SA wherever.
There's one last question engifuna ukukubuza yona Prime. If there was a brand right now engathi approach to say we want to sign you Double D, there's a deal. Would you take it or when you want to write solo till you die?
Hey bro, that's a nice question, abo. It's a very nice question. Because I've seen niggas suffer from that question.
Exactly, that's the reason why I'm asking you.
I've seen it.
Nah,
I'm going solo, bro.
All the way.
I'm going solo and understand ukuthi bakhona abantu abangakwazi ukusiza to reach a certain level.
Yes.
But there's no level from the level that you actually visioned yourself on. So ngaqhamuka Sony Music manje it's Double DSA, I have 100,000 but what if my deal is not 100,000?
Yeah.
What if my deal is 100 million?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. That's
so
true.
it's not about the money, but it's about the impact that you have as an artist. So ngifuna ukuthi nalento engisho ngidlulisele kumanye ama artists out there who are watching, like ama youngins and even commercial artists, because we all make mistakes. It's not about what you can offer right now. It's about what you worth.
Yes. That's true. That's true. Double T. Thanks, Michael. Thanks for pulling up, man. Siyabonga ukusiblessa ngepresence yakho nje yami. Double T, please check him out on yabona manje.
Double TSA everywhere.
Double TSA everywhere, guys.
Instagram, Double TSA, Facebook, Double TSA. No me get.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, brother.